And here's I will show you how to analyze your Spotify wrapped stats. In Spotify, here is an option to analyze your top stats. So we have to use a browser. So go to your browser and in your browser search for stats for Spotify and open this website statsforspotify.com. If you're first time in this website, you have to sign in with your Spotify account. Now, here under stats for Spotify, we can see top tracks, top artists, and top genres. To check your top tracks in your Spotify Wrapped, tap on that, and here you can see top tracks in last 4 weeks, in last 6 months, and in last 12 months. So this is how we can actually analyze our Spotify stats. Thanks for watching.